After our sumptuous meal at the bebek goreng stall, now we are going for the beef noodle, which is also known as Mie Bakso. Here there is the bakso store, which is owned by Mr. Randy, which he's selling mie ayam, with chicken noodles, and then Mie Bakso, which is also beef noodles. Now he's going to show us how he prepare Mie Bakso with ayam. So it is an extra taste on it.
Ini saya kasih bumbunya dan kecap.
So he add up some of the spices and sweet soy sauce, and then he unroll the noodles so that make everything loose, is not sticking together. While he's boiling, the noodles will slowly cook and then transfer into this bowl. The longest the noodles can be cooked is around 2 minutes. If not, it will be softened. You can see here a whole bottle of chili sauce and a whole bottle of kicap manis, which is a sweet soya sauce. This is a vinegar for tasting, but if you don't want it, he won't put it. You see the hot, steamy. Take out. So delicious, tasty, long. So while he's doing, I will talk about what is so special about this. There are a lot of provinces around Indonesia. So each type of mie ayam or mie bakso, they have a different taste, a different touch of a different province. And now he's mixing the noodles with the kicap manis and also the chili sauce. And now he's adding some of the main character over here, which is the meatball, the bakso. Yes, so nice, good.
Sauce.
Here there's a sauce, chili. Oh,
Sauce.
okay, sauce. It consists of the tomato and chili. More chili and more kicap manis, sweet soy sauce, and also the main ingredient, which is the ayam. Rasa dengan apa Pak ini? Kunyit?
Ya.
Okay. And then lastly, with some fresh chicken stock. A combination of chicken and also the beef balls. And at the end, we top with a very crispy keropok, which is also very special in the Indonesian delicacies. Yep, thank you, terima kasih. So look at this, it's such a full bowl of noodles. This costs you 15,000 Indonesia rupiah. Let's see what are they inside the noodles, right? You have here the chicken meat, the beef balls, the keropok, the crispiness, thinness, and also the main, this is the yellow noodles. So what makes these noodles so special is the gravy. Mixture of chicken stock, beef stock, and some of the veggies inside it that make it so savory. It's time for us to taste what is all about this Mie Bakso. First of all, you can see here, this is the beef balls that they have it. It is handmade, so we just test it out. Let's taste. First of all, we have to taste the soup, the gravy, most importantly. Wow, very flavorful, very strong, aromatic. Oh, very good. I couldn't speak. Let's try out some of the meatball. Very spicy, strong beef flavor. The stock is good. Come and have a try at this crispy keropok. which is fried fritters. Try out the noodles. The noodles is quite different. This is a rice vermicelli. This is different from spaghetti, yellow noodles, which we can try it out and try. And also with the bean sprout together. Give it a like if you like it, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you very much.